Hello again, Battle Brawlers. So, I have two more bakugan unboxings to do here today. So, let's get into them. First, I'm just going to put my Ultra Dragon over here, because, I mean, why not, you know? It's good to have my buddy right here. So, which one of these two do I want to do? I'm going to go with the aquos Krakelios. So, I'm gonna unbox the aquos Krakelios. The Krakelios Ultra. So, I unboxed that part of it. Take that stuff out. Take all this, put it over there. Aquos Krakelios. I'm gonna put right over here, but I'm gonna take a lot of this packaging here. Just because every single time I've ever gotten a Krakelios so far, it keeps getting stuck in the packaging. One sec, guys. I'm just gonna do something real quick here. Sorry about that. Just want to get him out of the packaging before anything, right? Because I don't want to break my aquos firm of my Krakelios Ultra. So I got him out. But I will be doing the cards and stuff first. I'm just gonna ball him up in ball form here. What's that, guys? So, alright, he's balled up. So, first things first, I'm gonna get into... Oops, my Dragonoid's dangling on the cord. Put him over here for now. So, I'm gonna get into the cards and the cores. So, I'm gonna get into the cores first. Alright, so he comes with a shield and a green fist. And a power level of 500 plus 1 damage. Plus 200 with the green fist. That's awesome. So with the green fist he gets 50 plus 1. And Drago, man, quit getting caught on my cord. But yeah, 50 plus 1 green fist. And the next shield is, the shield is plus 400 for Aquos and Ventus. Alright. So, I'm getting to the cards. Let's see what cards he comes with. He comes with Cycling Madness, which is weird that he comes with the darkest card. But yeah, that's what he comes with. Pretty awesome, to say the least. And I got that. Again. Move that card. And now I finally got an Aquos Krakelios Ultra. So I'm going to get into the bakugan here. Let's do this. So, I'm going to roll them out for you. So, 1, 2, 3, bakugan, brawl. Yeah. Aquos Krakelios Ultra. Sorry if the cord's getting in your way, guys, too. I mean, it's kind of bothering me as well. I don't know what else to say about that. I mean, there's not much I can really do about it. Dragonoid, buddy. Oh my god. But yeah, Aquos Krakelios Ultra is pretty dope. 500 Bs, that's pretty good. And now I got 3 Krakelios. One Chaos, 1 Ventus, and now 1 Aquos. That's pretty sweet. Alright, now he's closed. So, that'll be it for this video. I will be doing another unboxing video here shortly. Just gonna clean up my mess a bit. Yeah, comment, like, subscribe, you know, like always. Peace.